Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kartik. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Is that your boyfriend's birthday? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, he's gonna blow out the candle now. He's gonna wish that you'll be his wife. Yeah. Okay. You tell him to wish that. Yeah, she wants you to wish that, Kartik, okay?
Jersey, it's gluten-free.
Make a wish.
You gotta make a wish. You don't cut the cake before you draw the wish.
Pancake.
That's so cute.
Got your wish.
Yeah, it's already there.
No, keep wishing.
Keep wishing.
To bring me along with you.
Always wish.
To bring me along with you.
I did wish.
He's so cute. Yay! You have to go say happy birthday to Kartik. Go tell him.
Yeah.
Go tell him happy birthday. Go tell him happy birthday. Rocky says happy birthday. Rocky, happy birthday, Kartik! Yay!
Kartik, eat it with the plastic. Don't worry.
Right.
Yay!
You made this at Whole Foods?
I guess so. Look at Jersey. She's
It's
like...
just tape. Isn't there tape there?
Yeah, the tape. I'm trying to remove the tape.
I'm pretty sure there's a easier way, like on the back over here, where...
Well, that's an intense tape.
Oh.
Stretch ledges.
Mango.
Never had this much candy so good.
Mango. It's Kartik's birthday. Yeah? Are you happy about that? Yeah? Do you like Kartik? Yeah. Are you going to try to get some cake? Yeah? Cake is not for birdies. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, you have to eat it.
You have to eat it. It's your birthday cake.
It's really good. It's mousse cake.
Yeah.
You gluten